Hello again, guys. My name is Teddy and I'm a professional binary options trader. Welcome to my video again, and I want to show you another strategy that will make you become a profitable today. So without wasting so much time, let's jump to the video. Okay, so let's see if we can find any opportunity today, and we look for various assets. Let's see something here. Can see something. So I've seen something here. There's a zone. So let me wait for it to come back, to go back, and I will sell. See, there's already a rejection. I'm waiting for the price to reach up, and then I will sell, because there's this resistance zone. Though you can see it's a late entry. Let me show you. There's this zone. There's a rejection from here. Let's wait for it to enter again, to come back. No, it has left us. So I was supposed to sell there. So let's look for another opportunity and see if we can find something. You can see nothing here. My network today is misbehaving. Let me see if I can see something again. NZD, CAD. Still nothing. You can see today market is not very quite well. So let's continue looking. SD. So I'll wait for the price to come back here. Here then we will sell. So you can see it's a breakout and retest. So we expect the price to come back here, then we sell. So let's wait for that. And as we are waiting, let's look for another opportunity. Let me mark this and look for another opportunity. Yes, can see something here. Something is here. So we are waiting. There's a reversal here, so we are waiting for a pullback, a retest here, then we drop. So let's wait for the price to touch this zone of ours, then we sell. That's another asset we are waiting. So let's look for another. Okay, nothing is here. Yeah, there's something is here. So let's sell. Let's sell. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's look for another asset. We can see this one. It's reacting. Why? Because we have a zone here, the resistance zone. Yeah, we have a minor zone here that is being respected. Remember, in every zone there must be a rejection. There must be a rejection. So we had a minor zone here, so we expect the price to form a minor pullback before it decides to go up. So we can see, let's wait. As we are waiting, let's look for this. Ah, okay, I can show you another strategy that work best in 2 minutes. We draw the consolidation box here and we wait for a breakout. We had a first loss, but no problem. So we can still wait for, a retest. We had a breakout, now we wait for a retest, now we go up. Now let's wait for the price to come to our zone to retest the previous reversal, the previous high. So then we buy. Okay, let's see this BBS. We're expecting this price to break the consolidation area. Remember, there's a pressure between buyers and sellers here. They keep on fighting against each other until one of them wins. So we'll know that one of them wins when they break this box, this consolidation box. So this is a BBS strategy. We wait for them to break in. We wait for buyers to break this consolidation box. There is a lot of noise here. That's why we expect a breakout with a strong momentum, a strong bias momentum for us to trust that they have won. So after that, that's when we will buy. So because we expect the price to go up. Okay, so let's wait. Let's wait. See, something is happening. Something is happening. Let's look for another. See if they have come back. No, they haven't. They haven't. Let's go back to our. Okay, can see. Okay, let's sell. No, they have jumped. Okay, let's wait. As I told you, price came back, reversed, then we had a breakout and a minor retest. Now they are forming a major retest. Now we're expecting the price to drop, a breakout and a retest. Good, a breakout and a retest. So let's see. We have 59 seconds remaining. As we keep on waiting, let's see if there was another breakout. There's still nothing. Still nothing. Two seconds remaining. Nine seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, and boom! It's a win. It's a win. So let's look for another opportunity. Let's look for another opportunity. I see nothing. Okay, we can buy here. No, they've jumped. They have jumped. But let's wait and see. The candlestick have jumped. I don't know what's happening, but let's wait for results. Remember, we had a reversal higher high, higher low, a breakout higher high. Now they have come to retest. We're expecting the price to go up to this zone. So let's wait for results. So guys, we have 10 seconds remaining. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Now that's a win. So I hope you've learned something from the video, and please, if you've understood something and you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching for the first time, make sure to subscribe and like, and plus share the video so that you can motivate me to drop so many videos. So thank you so much, and let's meet in our next video.